Proboscis monkeys. Their favorite food are the leaves of a particular species of mangrove. The youngest leaves are the most nutritious. As the forest shrinks, these trees are becoming more difficult to find. Now their search for food is bringing the monkeys into the human world that lies on the other side of a 100-meter wide river. These pipes are the only bridge across it for miles, but the monkeys don't use it. They can swim. The baby struggles to keep its head above water. Made it. But their journey is far from over. And now they are in human territory. And that brings them closer to people. At last, on the edge of the city, their favorite leaves. But a tiny, isolated patch of mangroves like this won't sustain them for long.